Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Swagbucks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device, and once it is opened up, log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your Google account or your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken to the home page from which you can explore the various different options that you have to earn money on your Swagbucks account. Now, if you don't wish to use Swagbucks anymore, and if you wish your account to be deleted, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Help Center. Now, once you're inside the Help Center page, scroll all the way down and tap on the See More button alongside Account and Privacy. You will now find the Account Deactivation option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on the Contact Us option. Then tap on Account Help, and now enter your email address within the email address box, and within the subject, type in Delete My Account. Then within the question section, tap on Close My Account, and then explain that you don't wish to use your account anymore and that you want your account to be deleted within the How Can We Help You box. You can then tap on the Submit option and your support email will be sent to Swagbucks. Just wait for a few days until you receive a response, and when you receive your response within your email, you can follow the instructions within and you will be allowed to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.